function of the front splitter and its attachments and the little aero flick-ups on the side, of course, also save weight and enhance aerodynamics by that decisive little fraction. And it continues. Carbon attachments are available for the side skirts and these rear winglets, and whilst the air breathers in carbon fibre complete the side look, this massive M Performance carbon fibre rear wing tops off the rear. Further down, things are finished off visually and aerodynamically by the M Performance diffuser and this special titanium exhaust system. It comes with 4 ceramic-coated titanium trims in this outrageous new arrangement that of course has a triumphant sound to go with it. And on top of that, it's 7 kilograms lighter than a standard exhaust system. Rolling and racing in style with the 20 or 21-inch forged Crosspoke 1000 M Performance wheels in gold bronze. They're also available in matte black. And the M Performance suspension even gives you the possibility to ride lower with adjustable damper control, variable by 20mm. Last but not least, exciting motorsport design and technologies in the palm of your hand and all around you in the interior of the new BMW M3 and M4. With a new M Performance carbon steering wheel with its distinctive shape, carbon shift panels and Alcantara grip, with the extension of interior trim in carbon, and the Alcantara knee pads, and of course the M Performance door sill plates come in carbon too. Of course, this wide range of M Performance parts is fully available across the BMW M3 and M4, as well as the M3 and M4 competition.